Dear students, this is Divine Love Seminar. I am AMRITA VIMALA. In this video, I am going to say about how to blank your mind in positive vibrations and in negative vibrations. Number 1. Pray God to open your subconscious mind first. Number 2. In order to blank your mind, the best thing to do is to listen the distant sounds. Do not analyze anything in that sounds. If a thought comes, it's okay. It will go away on its own. Remain calm. Number 3. Do not blank your mind when surrounded by people, as you may unknowingly open yourself to negative vibration. Number 4. Never face south when you blank your mind. It is best to face north only. Very important. There should be a 3-hour gap between when you are blanking your mind. Number 5. For your own protections, blank your mind 2 minutes in place where the vibration is positive. Okay? In the place where the vibrations are negative, please blank your mind only 1 minute. That is enough. Number 6. It is very crucial when you blank your mind after sunset and before sunrise, because when the sun sets, the vibration on earth changes and become more negative. Number 7. This is very important. Imagine yourself a natural flame or divine light as present in your heart. This divine light protects you when you blank your mind. Number 8. Thank God in your own words. End with humble and sincere prayer in your heart. If you follow this, you will surely get the guidance from God. God will bless you to make the right choice, the strength to do the right things, and convert your negative thoughts into positive thoughts and spiritual actions. You will finally be able to understand God's presence in your life. Future video I will teach about the difference between physical mind and subconscious mind. My humble and heartfelt thanks to you all. God will shower all blessing to all. Dear students, this is my kind request. Please give your comments. Thank you. Dear students, please subscribe and share. My humble and heartfelt thanks to you all. God will shower all blessing to all. Thank you.